A lot of people want to know what string sizing is and what's a string anyway. A string is connecting solar modules, otherwise known as solar panels, together in series. When you connect things like that in series, batteries, solar modules, you increase the voltage by how many things that you have in series with each other. And one of the weird things about these magic crystals, otherwise known as solar cells, is that when it gets colder, the voltage goes up. So if you live in a really cold place, you're going to have to do a different calculation to figure out how many solar modules you can put on a string. If you move from Hawaii all the way to Antarctica, like most of us have done once, at least once in our life, you have to string that system a little bit different, or you could just leave those solar modules in Hawaii. They'll appreciate it. It's very nice over there. So anyway, what you do for these calculations, there's a couple of different ways of doing it, but the main way that people deal with it is there are these things called coefficients, such as the temperature coefficient for voltage that you'll get from the solar manufacturer. And you figure out what difference in temperature that the solar module testing conditions were, that the solar module was tested at, which is usually 25 degrees Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. And then if it gets 10 below, say, for instance, 10 below is 35 degrees below 25 above. For some reason, people like to do this with the metric system. You'll multiply that 35-degree difference by this coefficient, and then you'll figure out what percentage voltage increase you'll get. So we'll go over that in my free string sizing class that costs you a couple of clicks of your mouse. So nothing's really free. That electricity is probably about 0.0001 pennies, but look out, pennies are going to be worth a lot coming up in the future. They're getting rare.